everyone, myself RJ Mehek, and today I'm going to share with you all my experience how to spot a fake Maybelline Colossal Kajal, because I have been cheated and I have been using this Kajal product has been launched. It's been more than 4 years. I have purchased this Colossal Kajal from one of the AC markets here in Surat. Can you imagine AC market? You will get fake product. I have paid full amount of money and I have got the fake kajal. So I thought let me share my experience with you guys. So I have got 2 kajals. Can you be able to spot which one is fake and which one is original? So let me tell you. The difference number 1 is the original one is a little bit denser and the fake one is thinner than the original one. So above is the original one and this is the fake one. So difference number 2 is Colossal Kajal is written almost in the inner side and the fake one, the Colossal Kajal, is written on the outer part. You will not able to figure it out the difference between the packaging because packaging is exactly same. So you will be able to see the pencil from the transparent packaging. Difference number 3 is Colossal Kajal written is here on the pencil is remain the same after 3 months. And see, the fake one is getting lighter day by day. Difference number 4, when you open your pencil, the tip is already out of the pencil. And in the fake one, you have to retract and turn your pencil like that and then the pencil will come out. Difference number 5 is the swatch. Of course the quality says it all. So I have got the original one and let me show you the swatch on my hand. And now let me show you the fake one. So this is the fake one and this is the original one. Wait at least for 2 minutes. Now I am going to rub the fake one. It is in the bottom. It will smudge easily, it will come out easily. If you will scrub it, if you will scratch it, it's nowhere, it's disappeared. And this is the original one. And if I'll rub it, if I'll scratch it, it won't go anywhere. See? So this is the original one. So my request to you all is please go and buy the Maybelline or any branded products and cosmetics, makeup from their counters only or any authorized store. Thank God it didn't damage on my eyes because very next day I have used the earlier I have purchased this fake one. It was start fading and I have already used 6 to 7 pencils, so it used to stay on my eyes like for 7 to 8 hours. And this kajal started fading in 2 hours. Something is wrong with the kajal. And then I have purchased the original one and I have kept them together and I came to know that I have been cheated. So this was my experience with Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I hope you have liked my comparisons and my observation. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Press the subscribe button and give me your valuable suggestions in the bottom bar below. I'm there on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and Tumblr as RJ Mehek. So bye for now.